cuts with religious prayers. In Begusarai, Bihar Government School, teachers staged a unique protest by conducting religious rituals like Durga Chalisa and Hanuman Chalisa instead of teaching. This protest, led by the Teachers Union, was in response to the state government's decision to reduce holidays during Durga Puja, which angered the teachers. They placed images of Goddess Durga in classroom and recited Durga Path, praying for Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and the Bihar Education Department to gain wisdom. The teachers also raised concerns about unfulfilled promises related to transfers and employment. They warned of further protests if demands were not addressed. Retired IPS officer Arvind Thakur resigns from BJP. Former IPS officer Arvind Thakur resigned from the BJP, possibly to join Prashant Kishore's Jan Swaraj movement. Thakur, who joined the BJP in 2017, expressed dissatisfaction in his resignation letter but did not disclose specific reasons. However, sources close to him suggest internal dynamics and lack of direction contributed to his decision. Jan Swaraj, Prashant Kishore's political movement, is gaining traction, attracting former bureaucrats, including IAS and IPS officers. Thakur's potential alignment with Jan Swaraj is seen as a significant step in challenging the established political forces in Bihar. This resignation could signal major shift in Bihar political landscape ahead of upcoming elections. Bihar government reduces VAT on CNG and PNG. The Bihar government, led by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, approved a reduction in value-added tax (VAT) on CNG and PNG. The new rates lower VAT on CNG from 20% to 12.5% and on PNG from 20% to 5%, aimed at promoting cleaner fuel use. Additionally, the government introduced the Chief Minister Driver Welfare Scheme 2024, which provides insurance coverage for commercial drivers. Other significant decisions included infrastructure projects and the opening of minority residential schools. This VAT reduction is expected to ease economic pressure on consumers and accelerate the adoption of cleaner energy sources in Bihar. Govardhan Biogas Scheme transforms rural kitchens. The Govardhan Biogas Scheme in Bihar's Bodh Gaya is improving lives by providing clean, affordable energy. Women from villages like Batsapur are using biogas generated from cow dung for cooking, eliminating the need for smoke-producing wood stoves. Beneficiaries like Anita Devi and Anju Devi shared how the scheme is faster and more cost-effective than LPG. The initiative, now in its third year, has reached 20 households and is set to expand further. The project is seen as a positive step towards sustainable energy and women's empowerment in rural Bihar, significantly improving health and daily living conditions. JMM faces resignations, weakening its stronghold. The Jharkhand Mukti Morcha JMM suffered another setback with the resignation of senior leader Pappu Verma following the departure of former Chief Minister Champai Soren. Verma, a JMM member for 26 years, criticized the party leadership's lack of direction and responsiveness. His resignation weakens JMM influence in Kolhan, a region where it once held significant power. Chief Minister Hemant Soren is actively working to regain control, with his wife Kalpana Soren and Sigvam MP Joba Manjhi rallying support. JMM's internal struggles may impact its hold on Kolhan ahead of upcoming political battles.